Oh, what's going on? Alright, MoreThanTrucks.com, and we have some Mack LE613 rear loader, single hopper, and we also have some split hoppers available. Tandem axle, dual drive garbage trucks available, ready, route ready. If you want them unclean for a cheaper price, we are your source. Whatever you need. These trucks are amazing. They are from New York City Municipality. You will be very happy with any one of these trucks. We sell everywhere worldwide. You need a shipping quote, feel free to ask us. We'll get it there for you. Alright, thank you, and visit MoreThanTrucks.com. MoreThanTrucks.com. Thank you, and have a good day.